Rungsrung mongno tei khaba charana ni bagai TSF ni bakhakte tiprasa rungsrung nai rokno class 10 tei 12 ni board amjok mongo kaham mari bai khaplai engmani bagai shokat yafarjakha July tal ni chitham salmari chasalo mandai ni Don Bosco school o songsajakha o shokat yafar mong panda o salo TBSC tei CBSC board ni bagai khorok brechi rungsrung nai rokno shokat yafarjakha panda narwai okra engi manjakha TTAADC ni EM Robindra Deborma tei TSF SEDC President Prabhat Deborma, Narwai Motamangai Manjakha, TSF President Somrat Deborma, TSF General Secretary Hamalu Jomatia, ex-TSF President Tei MDC Umashankar Deborma, ex-TSF GS Sunil Deborma, TSF Chief Advisor Bishu Deborma, TSF Advisor Jeevan Deborma, NESO Finance Secretary Tei VP TSF John Deborma, Tei NESO Coordinator Tei VP TSF Bikash Deborma.
TSF Ningai Taklaina first time like the specialist in Hamamara was in divisional sodoris ne Borgom Tech Initiative Nagui the toppers rock in 10 12 both DBSC and CBSC Borno Borom Rogui Borok in Omtai organized Kika Award Ibagi K Bornos and Hamamara Tabok Sing Omamaro money main reason common Borok Initiative Naka the topper no encourage again by Borno cut and Saravan Bagay. Boroni achievement no. Sungai ne ke nung angbu katongu borok by Kaham Sazaka. Borom Kajaka. Boni Bagay, DSF Soder East, Sini Divisional Committee of Borok. Omtai Samunga Hanawan Sogay, Borok Dini Kaimaning. Boni by Buskan Salo, Sung DSF Waso, Zemansa, Dini Oro, Kaisa. Tahunai divisional simia, but di proses kan anggenya, seng zaman sa buskani zoranggai seng saktarana, seng TSF ni anggai, zem dah ke inisiatif nagai kha kerakhe borok asa kosto khai borok top arang mani, seng amuna appreciate khagen bai seng buskani salo seng tebe, jodoh di proses kan anggenya seng zaman sa seng saktarana.
Tini bokelas berarti tini orang sokat zakat.
Tini to je Class 10, DBSC, CBSC, board, and Class 12, DBSC, CBSC. All kind of wrong. Tini award of organized Kaiser money.
Award koijan ana zakat.
Total 40 jon like 14 numbers. Tani hamale kaini board ba 10 of Class 10 of 10 CBSC ni TBSC ni Class 12 of 10. Omte hai.
Chini society ho to nokja khatini je toppers rokno
ani message omono tongnai guardian sime youth rokno specially nirok sungnai ne khangke youth specially below 20 death rate bari to sungni rokno omono koinai nirok drugs addict ngani sai samung ka hawa addict ngi nung resap kereng khangke musa kereng khangke sportman khangke aro sake addict omono sini koin mung tongnai nung drugs nagai nung thinyai si tong nung tangai aro bakhai nei boni bagai sungnai ne khangke tabok bu gobang mati proses kananggai tournament khai bor tangai ma khai khana youth na encourage khagen bagai boni bagai jeng koinai guardian simia especially the youth niromo wasok khai dani homale self determination ma tongnai sak omote hai ang khaya nei ma wasok khangke automatically or the drugs ro komai thangnai guardian jeng koinai niro khata thidi nirong ni busano nirong khorai di je mansa khorai di haipana kaham samro tabo drugs anar no jung bui to gui jung sare romaya chini koimu omono tongnai nirong je mansa samung kahamo gedal di to phano chuba di nirong ni samung nirong ni tahonai nirong ni je life do pha samung nangjaga samung kahago sacrifice kadi inke nono do pharo mo to khainai Teni numana phabu, rumabu phatona rabu bukong sunai. Drug society kenge borok kesi serai jangnai hayake nice jangnai. Haipana nung nini dokani bagai mungsu contribute khai kalang khangke. Nini nukung, nini amchai, nono borom khanai teni ni. Tahnai nini kami jotona sungsa. Amuna sini koimung tangnai khata thidi. Haipana bahai ke o drug sung mesen mano amuna sung saksargan bagi sung koyo.
Media friends Rama, Santini TSF Sodaris division by Songsagar, ISS Tibrasa award winner in one so like here, Zerania subdivision, Aro tongo TBSC class 10, CBSC class 10, TBSC 12, science arts tei CBSC class 12 science arts the top 10 mana ro sung award dunani nei wan so like ero bur like sungaro mandai kairai Don Bosco oro principal jono thai reka jaga reka nor program khaledi nor award di silti professor mo nai so abo hakono 70 jona students the top 10 of Omar was award dukati tini 70 jona class 10 class 10 12 TBSC CBSC on the district level one so to taklai or bisu to malaka final bisu ko song sai tongnai dai final bisu je kotor ka song khainai top 20 ro ko phana song nai student of masa abo ai ni one so lai hamda
A very good morning to you all, respected chief guest of the day, Sir Boromgnang Ravindra Devarma, EM for Education and Kokborok, TTA DC, chairperson of this program of the day, Sir Prabhat Devarma, TSF SCDC President, guests of honors, resource persons, Professor Dr. Mohan Devarma, Reverend Father Joseph Pulin Thanant, and all the other invited guests, parents, guardians, and the students who have come to receive the award, first Tiprasa Award, and our beloved Bosconians of Don Bosco High Secondary School, Kairai Mandai. I am very happy to welcome you, invite you here and to address a short address to you all. Ang tini belai ke tongtusago oro basawi norok bai kisa koksanan bage chini o TSF puila award program khaimani bage ang puila chini president chairperson te joto TSF member rok no ang hambaya paro te congratulation khaina musungo amke omo program khlai student rok no encouragement khaina musungo omo kaisa step belai kino kaham abon bagi ang palke dear Bosconians, let's give a big round of applause to them for taking up this wonderful initiative, beautiful initiative. And with this, many more students here, those who are especially class 10 and 12, you are studying, sitting here, and others who will be able to see in this YouTube channel and all, they will be encouraged. Borgo encourage manai, kaham khainan bage, tebo thinango kusugo kanan bage. Just as this TSF began long back with a small beginning, and in the course of time, lots of activities have been done. Chini TSF students organization kabangma samung rok khlai tongo chini dofani bage bises ke students rok ni ham khlai ni bagi tamni ke students rok ke chini dofani pillars future generation abo haike chini Don Bosco school oro phaika Don Bosco Mandai oro unka 2009 ni simi norok yangon nungui tungo Chikonsa building ani yagra ngai right side o abo unka abo chengmani 2009 ni simi sudu tin roof by te wani bera by unka 68 students simi se chengpru Cikon ke cengka angbo 2010 of 5 fru ke oro tonglaika ek mas ni bage 2010 ni semi ani ministry Tripura cengmani te abo haikeno tabuk jeng nungoi tungo iango ani left side of haika te orabo jeng achuki tungo omoke semano se paika samung te use klai tungo abo haikeno jeng je kuno samung rokno jengi thangke te omono follow up khaike te samung rok khlaike jeng achievement khai mannai successful mannai students rokbo norok tabo class 10 o je tongo 12 o je tongo norok ni buskango tabuk tini norok nugnai class 10 by 12 pass khaijak chini students rok o sador subdivision elakani joto kaham mark mankha te apun bage ching jotono norok jotono chaitokhe saktarkhe samung khlaikhe ching achievement khaimanai jotoni thani fan tongo khlainan bage suar tongo talent tongo abun bage omo kaisa sujuk re tongo ching norokno wish khlaio ang congratulate khaina muchingo je 10 by 12 je jotono pass unkha tebo bishes ke award mannai rok kaham scoring khlaika top 10 of phaika borgni bage tai waisa yafar khorok lai nai jotono yafar khorok de give a big round of applause tai ang besi sana muchungnya ching Don Bosco society sudu Don Bosco mandai semia chini Don Bosco school tongo chini Tipra hasteo 8ta school tongo 8ta school ni bisingte 5 school ke higher secondary tongo te tinta hangke class 10 jora oh sorry tabuk hangke jotono unka sudu Don Bosco Pitra semise 10 jora tongo te o Don Bosco school tabuk present around 10,000 students rokno education ritongo at present agini je thangka aboke alka kok at present mane around 10,000 students rokno jeng ministry service ritongo aboke chini Don Bosco ni imang te Don Bosco ni po imang tongo chini Tipra hasteo bo college te alka department ngani bage jeng chat
91% from Montfort School, Champak Nagar. Third, Sharif Babarma, 90.6 from Don Bosco Agartala. From Montfort School again, from Montfort Champak Nagar. Then, next for the PJ, please, Amity. 6. Next, we have Katrina Babarma. Next, we have Babarma. Next, Business Development, Narayan Development, 83% for making your schools proud, for making our Sion, we are very proud of you, and you should be proud as well that you are receiving this. Be Bumunugu Wanaka, however development can make. Ankakayo Buma Misupan Kana, Misecute 82.2% from Monkey Girls High School. So monkeys, we are proud of. Sagar Development, let us give a round of applause for Sagar. 74. Next, please Development from second half. 73%. 6 from the Boston Monday. Next, Master Tifang Development. You make your school. Thank you, Alec, for making our school proud.
স্বর্ণকমল স্বর্ণবর্ষা 2 জুলাই থেকে 23 আগস্ট মেগা লাকি ড্রতে 2টি স্কুটি লাকি ড্রতে 7টি স্বর্ণমুদ্রা হীরের গয়নার মজুরিতে 75% ছাড় এবং সোনার গয়নার মজুরিতে 20% ছাড় থাকছে প্রতি কেনাকাটায় নিশ্চিত উপহার এছাড়া যে কোনো হলমার্ক যুক্ত গয়নার সমমূল্যের হলমার্ক যুক্ত নতুন গয়না কেনার সুবর্ণ সুযোগ স্বর্ণকমল জুয়েলার্স আজই আসুন আমাদের আগরতলা এবং উদয়পুরের শোরুমে শর্তাবলী প্রযোজ্য